Are you at risk of home foreclosure? Or perhaps you're already facing this daunting situation. Home foreclosure is a predicament that is unfortunately more widespread than many may think. It's a process that has far-reaching implications, affecting not only your immediate living situation but also your financial future. It can seem like a dark cloud looming, but remember, every cloud has a silver lining. This video is that silver lining. We're here to help you understand foreclosure, break it down, and provide a step-by-step guide to navigate this stormy weather. The goal is to equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to prevent, stop, or at the very least, manage the foreclosure process. Foreclosure isn't a monster to be feared, but rather a challenge to be understood and overcome. With the right information, you can turn the tables on this situation. Remember, knowledge is power. The first step to preventing foreclosure is understanding it. Foreclosure is a legal process that lenders use to take back property securing a loan, like a home, when the borrower stops making payments. This process unfolds in stages and can differ depending on where you live. The first stage is missed payments. This occurs when the borrower can't keep up with the mortgage payments. If this happens, it's essential to act quickly and not ignore the problem. Next comes the public notice stage. After a certain period of missed payments, the lender can make a public declaration of the borrower's default. The pre-foreclosure stage follows, during which the borrower still has a chance to pay off the debt or sell the property. If these steps don't resolve the issue, the home may go up for auction. Here, the property is sold to the highest bidder. Finally, if the property isn't sold at auction, it enters post-foreclosure, where the bank takes possession. But don't despair, there are steps you can take to stop this process. As soon as you realize you're having trouble making your mortgage payments, contact your lender. It's crucial to keep an open line of communication with your lender. Why, you ask? Well, they're not the enemy. In fact, they're quite the opposite. Lenders are usually willing to work with you because, believe it or not, they don't want to foreclose on your home. Their business thrives on successful repayments, not on taking homes away. So, it's in their best interest to help you find a solution. They may offer you a range of potential fixes. This could be a loan modification where they agree to alter the terms of your mortgage. It might involve adjusting your interest rate, extending the term, or even adding missed payments to the loan balance. Alternatively, they could offer refinancing, giving you a new loan with different terms. Or they might propose a repayment plan, allowing you to catch up on missed payments over time. Remember, your lender doesn't want to foreclose on your home, so they may work with you to prevent this. Next, it's crucial to understand your rights. The key to this understanding lies within your mortgage agreement. This document holds the terms and conditions of your loan and is a trove of information about what your lender can and cannot do if you're unable to make payments. For instance, it may outline the steps your lender must take before initiating foreclosure or detail any grace periods you might have. It's not just about the fine print in your mortgage agreement, though. There's also a layer of protection provided by federal and state laws. These laws can offer safeguards against predatory lending practices and provide you with certain rights during the foreclosure process. For example, under federal law, your lender generally cannot start foreclosure until you are more than 120 days delinquent on your payments. Understanding these rights and protections is not just about knowledge, it's about empowerment. Knowing your rights can give you a stronger footing when negotiating with your lender. Don't hesitate to reach out for help. When you're facing the potential of foreclosure, it can feel like you're alone against a towering wave. But remember, there are numerous resources available to you. One such resource is HUD-approved housing counselors. These professionals are trained to assist homeowners in financial distress and can provide valuable advice tailored to your specific situation. They can help you understand your options and guide you through the process. Legal aid services are another resource you can tap into. They provide free or low-cost legal assistance and can help you understand the legal aspects of foreclosure. They can also represent you in court if necessary. Finally, foreclosure avoidance counselors are available to help you negotiate with your lender and possibly prevent foreclosure. They are skilled at finding solutions that work for both parties. You don't have to navigate this path alone. There are resources available to help you. Finally, consider all your options. You're not without choices even when the situation feels overwhelming. One solution could be selling your home. By selling, you might be able to cover the outstanding mortgage and possibly even make a small profit. However, this option is most viable if your home has appreciated in value since the time of purchase. Another possibility is filing for bankruptcy. While this is a serious decision with long-term implications, it can provide a temporary halt to the foreclosure process and give you time to reorganize your finances. Alternatively, a deed in lieu of foreclosure could be an option. This is when you voluntarily transfer the ownership of your property to the lender to avoid foreclosure proceedings. It's not an easy decision, but it might be the right one for your situation. Remember, every situation is unique. What works for one homeowner may not work for another. It's crucial to weigh all options carefully and seek professional advice when needed. Let's quickly recap the steps to stop foreclosure. First, we discussed the importance of timely communication with your lender. They are not your enemy. They can provide options that you might not be aware of. Next, we highlighted the need to understand your rights. Every homeowner has rights that protect them from unjust foreclosure. We then talked about reaching out for help. Don't hesitate to seek assistance from HUD-approved housing counselors or legal aid if needed. Lastly, we explored the different options available to you, from loan modification to short sales. If you found our content valuable, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and smash that bell icon for more helpful content. We're also excited to introduce the Foreclosure Survival Swipe Forms. These forms expose mortgage securities maturity faults and are your secret weapon in foreclosure defense. Don't wait until it's too late. Check out the link in the description to access the Foreclosure Survival Swipe Forms today.